My country people, this particular video where Tc Virus, one of the survivor of the boat accident, this video don't trigger a lot of netizen reaction as people come the wonder say why Tc Virus go do this kind video for Junior Post birthday, can't even they tag am Fanta of Life. A lot of reaction don't they? But before we continue, make I play the video, make we see the video. My country people, this particular video did not sit well with a lot of Nigerians, so as if you see comment section, a lot of people don't pour out their anger. Even Adam Maluk, the producer of the movie, wait by Junior Pope and the other crew members, don't use the opportunity to review a lot of things wey go shock. Make we read wetin she talk. She talks, so it's actually true you are now using this whole incident for content. You told your colleagues on set how you came to the industry before JP and how you were the one that wrote his name for him on his first audition. Now he's playing lead ahead of you. The envy and jealousy in this industry is on another level. Hopefully this incident makes you the superstar that you wanted so desperately. As Adam Maluk write this thing, my mind come they tell me maybe she will get a lot of supporters. Not so everybody come under her comment section, come they bash am say make she hide her face, so why she no go leave this innocent boy alone. Say the boy no get any bad intention, na just content he dey create. Still a lot of people the thing no sit down well with them cause a lot of reactions came from different people, as you can see. So I go allow una make una type wetin una think. Do you think this guy is just trying to live the best of his life as God gave him a second chance? What do you think? Drop it in the comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more news with the tutorial body. Una know as you dey do am for here. For this page na Poco News, you dey share updates with the tutorial body. Now we dey share. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Netizens TV. Do well to like, comment, follow, share my videos. They give me one kind encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. Oh yeah, now.